Hello, I'm going to teach you guys how to actually crochet chain on top of your work. And you can do this for a couple different reasons. One reason you might have is you might want to actually create a design right on top of your work. You can basically draw with your yarn by just chaining on top, which is really neat. Another reason to use it is you might want to create a base for doing other types of crochet off of your work, similar to what this looks like. You could create a base chain and then make this ruffle come off of your work. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll do it again, I'll make a slip knot like that. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it from the bottom to the top of your work. And you're just going to stick your crochet hook through, grab it, and then pull it through like that. And then you're going to make sure you have your working yarn. And you're going to, and this takes a little practice, going down and grabbing it. And you just pull it through your first loop. See, like that. So you grab, pull through, grab, pull through, grab, pull through. And I'll show you the other side. So I'm grabbing this and pulling it through. See, there it is. And then I'm taking that and pulling it through that loop on top. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to do it really evenly all the way across. Either, as I said, you could make designs with this. You could basically draw all over your pattern, your work, I mean. Or what I am going to use it for is I'm going to go all the way across here. And then I'm going to continue in my pattern and create a ruffle that comes off my work. So that's how you do that.